Are you tired of feeling like time is slipping through your fingers? Then let's dive into the fundamentals of Clockify, the free time tracker that will help you take control of your day, boost your productivity and understand where your precious hours are actually going. Starting your first timer is incredibly simple once you've created an account and logged in. You'll see a blank description field. This is where you'll describe what you're currently working on. Let's say you're responding to emails, type that in, and then click the big green play button to start the timer. Clockify is now actively tracking your time. When you finish the task, simply click the stop button. The time entry will automatically be saved. Sometimes you might forget to start the timer, or maybe you prefer to log your time after the fact. No problem. Click the plus button, or simply click on a blank space in your timesheet. Now you can manually enter the start and end times, or specify the duration of the task. Add your description and you're done. To really unlock the power of Clockify, you need to categorize your work. Click on the project drop-down to assign your time entry to a specific project. If you don't have any projects yet, you can easily create one. Tags allow you to further categorize your work, for example, by the type of task, like design or coding, depending on your workflow. Categorizing your time entries allows Clockify to generate detailed reports and dashboards, giving you valuable insights into where your time is going. You can see how much time you're spending on each project, task, or client, helping you identify bottlenecks and optimize your productivity. Now go forth and master your time with Clockify.